Hazrat Bushair bin Yasar narrates that an Ansari man called Sahel bin Abu Hathama told him some of his people proceeded towards Khaybar, and reaching there they got separated and found one of them assassinated. So it was said to the people from whom his dead body was found, "You have killed one of our companions." They replied, "No, nor do we know anything about the killer." They therefore visited the Prophet ﷺ and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, we went towards Khaybar and found one of them assassinated." He ﷺ thereupon said, "Let the eldest of you speak." He ﷺ then said, "Can you produce a witness as to who has killed?" They submitted, "We don't have any witness." He ﷺ said, "Then there will be oath taking." They submitted, "We will not be satisfied with the Jews' oath taking." Allah's Apostle ﷺ disliked it that his blood stands wasted. So he ﷺ granted 100 camels from the alms camels to the deceased's inheritors. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6898.